Okay, we'll start with come. How come no one is on? Turn on your video, Razik. Turn on video, Shafia. Okay, we are starting now. Come. Razik, your video, Razik, come. Okay, we are going to change from fractions to this. Amara, you there, Amara? Hello, Amara. Okay. All right, now. Okay, we're going to start now with this. Razik, where are you, Razik? Come. Turn on your video, Razik. Okay, great. Okay, so we're going to change from fractions to decimal. From fractions to decimal. So can you all try? Or maybe we'll show you the first one first. We'll show you first one in case you forgot. Now, there is no one whole. What I mean, one whole. That means one whole means there is another square here, like that. There's another square here, and then it's all like shaded. The whole thing is shaded lah. Okay. Now this will be known as one whole and 6/10, but there's no one whole here. So if there's no one whole here, it means this will start at 0 point something. Why? Because there's no one here, or 2 or 3. If this is 1 here, down here be 1. If this is 2, it will be 2 point something. And then now, if there's 10 down here, that means there's 1 0, right? 10, there's 1 0. There's only one space here. So what do you write on here? Well, you write this 6 over here. 0.6. 0.6 means 6 parts of 10. 6 out of 10. That's what it means. Okay, so we try for the rest of it. Okay, here we go. Let me see. Okay. Here we go. Okay, now we go back. Okay, you try B, C, and D. B, C, and D.
Yeah?
Okay, come Neris. Okay, again, we are asking to write in decimals. You just missed the first part actually. The rest you continue, the rest do B, C, and D. So down here, Neris, you see there's nothing here. Nothing, you put 0. Okay, no, not for you. This first one I already explained you. Now this is for Neris. Neris missed the explanation. So then if you see 6 down here, you put 6. So if it's 1 0, it's 1 blank here. Okay. Let's see this. Okay. Shafia, well done for the second one. Well done for the third one. Amara, what about you, Amara? Amara, are you there? Come on, Amara. Amara, you must try to convert. Oh, yeah, you said, Amara. Thank you, Amara. Okay, B is correct, Amara. Okay, next one, correct, Amara. All right, and the next one. So, Neris, this one now, Neris. Okay, you gotta just put in very simple. This is 0 point some. Why is 0? Because there's no one whole here, or 4. There's no such thing. So that's why it has to be 0. 0 point something. How many Neris? Neris, you see the 7 here? Just write the 7 here. That's it. 0.7. Okay. Okay, well done to Amara. She finished first. I thought Shafia will finish first. Oh, Shafia finished first. Yes, Shafia finished first. Okay. So the next one is very easy, right? The next one, same thing lah. Neris, what's the answer for this one? What point what? There's nothing in front here. So 0 point. You have 8 here. Put the 8. And this one is 0 0.5. Okay. Okay, we move on to the next one. We move on to the next one. Okay. This one, no. This one, no need shade. Okay, wait, hold on. Down here now, we try this one. What's the answer for this one? What's the answer for B? Okay, so this is very easy, yeah? Very easy. Come on, send your answers then, send your answers.
You can go to this.
Go through this one. Okay, down here now, this is not even 1. 1 liter, 1 whole is down here when you pour your 1 liter. So below that, this is below that, that means it's 0 point something there. They give you is 6/10. How do we know it's 6? Down here, the longer one is 5. Down here is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You see, can you count out? See, there's 1, 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6. All right. So now you have down here all together there's 10. So that's why it's 6 out of 10. You really learn that's not 6 out of 10. There's not one more jar, so it's 0 0.6 liters. Okay. We'll try again. We try others. We try others. There's many examples actually. Okay, you try this one. Oh, Chungkok forgot. Hold on, I forgot to call. Totally. Okay, this is easy. Come. Later, I'll give you another question. Same question on this one, but you tell me what's the answer. Okay, we have the first answer. There we go. Let me just check the answer. What about the rest? Let's see. First answer. Okay. Congratulations, Miss Amara. Amara has gotten this first. What happened to Ustaz Shafia? Ustaz Shafia might be, let's see. Yes, it's supposed to be in decimal. It's supposed to be in decimal. It has to be decimal. That's why we are doing topic on decimal. So that's why you need to know in decimal. Okay. Anyone else? You see down here, they already give you what? You know how to change from fraction to decimal. So down here, okay, we see who else. Yes, Razik, well done. Okay, Razik is allowed, and Shafia also is allowed to turn off his video because his computer, he told me before, his computer is lagging. So, but yeah, I'm afraid the reason why you need to, okay, so here we go, down here 0.9 because it's not even 1 kg yet. So it's 0.9. Now I'm going to give you another question. We use the same one. Okay. If let's say now the needle is pointing here, what is the answer for this one? Can you send me also? Let's say the needle now is pointing like that. What is the answer now in kg? The needle is pointing to this big one here. What is the, well done, Razik. What about Neris? Neris, you must be able to do this, Neris. Come down here, you see? 9/10, we change it to 0.9. You see, it's not even 1 kg here. This one is how much, Neris? This one is a long one. Come on. You can do this. Okay. Anyone else? Come on, only Razik only. Shafia, I can do that, Shafia. Amara can do? Amara, congratulations. Well done.
I cannot see.
You can't see.
Hello.
Hello. Who is that? Shafika.
Yeah.
She's a very good sister. Now Shafika, she take care of Shafia.
Just tell me all the answers.
Hi.
Just
No wonder
kidding.
it's not- Aduh, don't tell. Okay, so down here now, I'm going to redraw this one.
Is it the answer 0.9?
That's for the first one. Now the second one, you say you cannot see, right? So I'm drawing it big now, okay? I'm drawing it big. Watch. So down here, notice, this one is always longer than the rest. This is like 5 lah. The fifth one, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the needle is pointing here. So Neris, what is this? What decimal this? But Neris has left her place. So Shafia, what's the answer, Shafia? This is over 1. Is over 1 already.
1.5.
1.5. Yes, 1.5. 1.5 kg. Yeah. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Okay, move on. Now you try. Now this one is different. Okay, we're going to have 2 together. Okay, can you try that, please? Okay, you send your answers there.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Is Naomi Neri's sister?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we have here. Okay, Razik first one correct, Shafia correct. Shafia first 2 correct, Razik first 2 correct. What about Amara? Neris, what are you doing? Neris, dancing on the bed. Come, Neris. Come. Amara can do, Amara. Okay, even if you don't look at the diagram, it's quite easy, okay? So I'm going to show you now, okay? Here. Okay, Chungkok is coming in. Now down here, see, there's one hole here. Neris is one hole here. Neris, turn on the video already, see. So you put 1 down here, 1 before the dot. You see down here, there's 2, right? Amara, can you see Amara too? So we put 2 before the dot.
Hello, Puji.
Okay. So you see 1 whole before the fraction, you put 1
Mr.
point
Shafiq?
something. 2 whole means 2 point something.
Mr. Shafiq,
Yes, yes.
Pucha will not be here, so because he's out. So
Yeah.
he's coming. Okay.
Yeah. No problem, no problem. Yeah, your
Okay.
mom told me. Your mom told me. Okay. All right. So down here now, so 1 point something. So if you look 6/10, just put 6 down here. All right. 2 down here, 2 before the dot. So 3/10, 3, 2.3. That's it. Later on, when we have over 100, yeah, you must know when to put, where to put. But for now, if you have a 1 whole, put 1 before the dot. You have a 2 whole, 2 before the dot. If it's just fractions like earlier, do not put 0. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. Okay, you try the next one now. This one. It's very simple, very simple. Okay, but you must focus. If you don't focus, you will be lost. Because maths is something that they start from very easy and then it becomes so complex. And Singapore mathematics is so difficult that, you know, the ones they did an experiment, they got like a professor, you know, to do one of the problem sums from the PSLE. He could do it by using algebra. They say, you know, you cannot use algebra. He took about 30 minutes to solve the question, whereas a student in primary 6 took about 5 to 10 minutes only. That is how difficult it is. So as you can see, yeah, come. Let's try now. Okay, so we have Razik, correct. What about Shafia? What about Amara? Where's Amara? Amara, are you there? Come try, Amara. What do you put before the dot, Amara? Or Neris? What do you put beside the dot here? To the left. What's a whole number? Come on. Neris or Amara, either one. Neris or Amara. What do you put down here before the dot? Amara, you know what number do we put before the dot? We put the number 3, yeah, because there's 3 holes here. Okay, and then 7/10, just put 0.7, right? Okay. So, yeah, okay, well done, Amara, for B. Well done. Okay, we move on to the next one. We move on to the next one. Now we try this.
Razi playing.
Come. Okay, we have one person here. Let's see. Who is this? Well done, Shafia. Well done, Shafia. I hope your sister didn't give you the answer, Shafia. Your sister give you the answer. Don't be like that, lah. Come on, Amara and Neris, you seem to be very busy walking here. Okay, congratulations, Razik. What about the rest? Amara and who? Neris. Amara and Neris. But Neris seem to be running away from someone. Okay, how to focus? Oh, she's outside. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So we wish her the best. Okay, here we go. So what about Amara? Amara, congratulations for D. What about E, Amara? Well done, Amara. You're getting it. Assalamualaikum, Mr. Putra. We are changing this to decimals. Come. So that they right. Okay, come. Okay. Can we try, We try. Well done, Amara, for both. Okay. So now we move on straight to question number 6 and 7. So, Mr. Putra, this should be easy for you. You should be able to do chop. Amara, you can do this, Amara.
No question.
We do the question number 6 first. And then 7, we do the whole thing. Well done, Shafia. Sorry? Can you see
6
6?
first.
Yeah, 6 first, because 6 comes
Okay.
before 7. B correct, Shafia. Razik, kosong. Okay. Well done. C correct. D correct. Congratulations, Shafia. You got all for number 6 correct. Well done. I told your mother you are improving, so you can report to her whether it's true or not. It's true. Okay. All right. What about the rest now? Who's now? Shafia is the fastest now. Amara, you can do this. Amara, you can beat her, both physically and in maths. But don't do physically, lah. Don't beat us physically. Eh? She's a good girl. She's good. Wow. Wow. Shafia, correct for the next one. What about Mr. Putra? Mr. Putra should be able to do this.
Teacher?
Yeah. Well done, Putra. Yes. Okay, Razik. Wow. One shot. Razik. A correct, B correct, C correct, and D correct. Mr. Putra, B correct. What about Amara? Amara. Where are you, Amara? Amara. You can do this, Amara. Do question 6, Amara. Who is it? Well done. Well done, Amara. A. Well done, Putra. C. Shafia, you have not finished the last one, Shafia. Let me see. Razik, A is correct. Neris. Which one is it, Neris? Okay. One by one. Shafia, B is your B is correct. Well done to Amara. Neris, which
question 6, I finished all.
Yeah, do question 7 then. Congratulations. You have got all correct for 6. Neris, if your answer is D for that, okay. So let's see. Well done, Miss Amara for C. Okay, I'm just showing. Neris, this one down here, there's a 2 hole, put 2 point. There's 1 on here, put a 1 on here. This is a 5 hole, 5.7.
Sure.
Yeah.
7A I done.
Okay, your answer is correct, but can you do 7B? Well done, Miss Amara for D. What was question 7? Razik, you have not done question 7. Come in, Razik. Over, out. Amara, can you try question 7A? You are getting better also, Amara. Okay, so Neris, is D. D must be like that. Remember, there's an 8 down here, Neris. So must be 8.9. Neris, your answer is correct if it's like that. Like that, then 0.9. But down here, there's an 8 hole. So you must put an 8 before the dot. Okay, I think we're going to complete this very soon. In 1 minute's time, okay? We just wait for a while. Putra can do the last one, Putra. You don't know? You sure not? You don't know? Okay, so we're going to go through the last one. Last one, Amara, is 1 here, 2 here. So this is 2 holes. 0.1, you count on from 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. So 2.4. This one, 10, 20, 30. 30.1. Let's count together and see. 30.1, 30.2, 30.3, 30.4, 30.5, 30.6, 30.7, 38.9, 30.9. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, down here. What does each letter represent? Do you want you to write? I just want you to write only in decimal. No need to write fractions, okay? Just in decimal for B and C. B and C. Yeah. Come on, boys and girls. Come on, boys and girls. We are having an offer today. Offer. Mr. Razik, come on. Oh, okay. There's someone has sent me a message. Someone has sent me. And it comes from Mr. Putra for question B. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. For that, you were, well, Putra, you gotten both correct. Shafia, yes, you got B correct. Putra, you got C correct. No need to do fractions, but yeah, we can just move on. No need to do fractions. I'm now gonna, yeah, don't need, just fractions, just fractions. Okay, those who finish can do question B also. D. Neris, you can send your answer. What? Cannot hear lah. Don't need to we don't need to put all. I don't need to put for fraction because I want you to
I
focus.
got B correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations. I know you want a present. All right. Well done to Mr. Putra. Okay, no problem. Okay. So down here, those who don't get it, I'm going to show down here. You see, this is 0.1. You see, you can count this. You see down here? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So the next one will be 0.6, and then 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 1. After 0.9, the next one will be 1 whole. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, then 1.5, 1.6,
Sure.
1.7 down here. Yes? Yeah.
B I done.
You done. D you done. B, D, yes. D is correct. E is correct. And F is correct. Congratulations. Okay, now I'll go through the rest. Okay, so now, okay, well done, Miss Amara. Well done. So down here, there is 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. You must know all this. Next time you want to take medication, how? Say, I do not know, doctor, how? They will tell you, okay, put a 1.5, let's say milliliters. You must know how to read all this because this one will be like on a bottle. Okay, I'm just going to show you like this. Imagine now this is a bottle. You see what do I mean? I'll show you now. You have seen this in a bottle like that, right? Imagine now this is a bottle, and then down here now you have this is like the medicine bottle. Imagine the medicine bottle is like that. Have you seen things like that on a bottle? Yes, right? So now, and then the doctor is telling you, okay, take 0.2 mils. So you must know this is 0.1. This one is 0.2. So every time you must take only 2. If you don't know that, you can have what? You can have a mistake, and then it can be very, very serious. This happened to a friend of mine, and I can share with you that friend of mine, what happened to him. In fact, you don't do this. I'm just telling you the story. Please don't do this, okay? He going to take Panadol. You know what's Panadol? That's paracetamol. He took the whole box. I was that time, I think, about 12 years old. I think he was about maybe 9 years old. He took a whole box of 10 or 15 Panadols. I do not know why he did it. His name is Sukajit Singh. He's a Singh now. He's a fair-skinned Indian. So what happened was, he slept for 2 days. I remember visiting his home. He was asleep, and the brother was jumping on the bed beside him. Couldn't wake up. Thank goodness he didn't die, you know. Fortunately, after 2 days, then he woke up. Ya Allah. So medication is very important, but you must know what quantity to take. That's why mathematics is so important. You know, even poison, you know, people take poison. Just a little bit of poison can kill, you know. So you got to be careful. Okay, I had another friend. This one, his name is Nizam. His real name is Shamsuri. One day, his friend gave him a tablet. It's a drug. He was in a shopping mall working as a cleaner. You know what happened to him? He didn't know what he was doing. He go and take the fire hose, you know, like fireman, the red hose. He started to spray the shop. He went into the shop, a cake shop, go and take the cake and was arrested and sent to jail. These are my friends when I was young. I can search for their pictures now, and I think they're on Facebook or something. But what am I saying? You must know decimals. You don't know decimals, it's going to be a little bit tough for you. So over here, same thing. Over here, very simple. Okay, this is 3. So there's a 3 hole here. Point, 3.1, 3.2, 3.2. This one, 4. So put a 4 down here. Put a point, 4.1. This one is not yet 5. Huh? Don't say this is 5. This is still 4. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8. You see, how do you know it's 4.8? I can show you also. You see, there's 10 down here. From here, 4 to 5, there's 10. You minus 1 is 9. You minus 1 is 8. So 4.8. Okay? Okay, these are true stories I'm telling you. And yeah, be very careful. In fact, there's a verse. Okay, you'll try. I'll tell you about the verse in the Quran later. You try this one now. Okay. Oh, sorry. See, I'm all right, let us see. Husna, Shafia correct? Wow, all three one shot. Huh? Shafia correct, Razik correct, and followed by Putra. But the question is who will get it first. Next one, Shafia correct. And who will get it first to cross the line? Will it Razik correct the second one? Putra, come on, Putra. I thought you're the fastest. My keyboard is not working. Putra, second one correct. The last one. Razik comes in first with the answer to J. Second comes Husna Shafia. And Putra. Amara, what about you, Amara? Come on, Amara. You can do this, Amara. You need to count. I made it big already. Count. You can count. Well done, Putra. Neris, what about Neris? Are you there? So if not, you can count backwards. Huh? You say count backwards, you count from 10. 10, 9. So this is 9.9. That's one way to count, Amara. You see, you can count backwards 10, 9. Down here also you count 10, because there's 10 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can count backwards. 10 becomes 9 on here. This is 0.9. This is 0.9. So 9 point. Well done, Miss Amara. 9.9 for this one. What about the next one, Amara? What about the next one? Yes, well done, Amara. 10.3. 9.9 over here. 10.3. And the last one, Amara, if you get this, you get a free present from your Aunt Salama. Or you can ask from your daddy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer, please. Action. Otherwise, I will fall off my chair. Amara, come on, save me. Save me, Amara. Save me. See, Putra is hoping I fall off the chair. Putra, so bad at you. Yes, just one away is how many? 10 less than 1 is 9, right? So you see, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, yes, 10.9, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8. Now, if you look carefully, so 10.9 is correct. If you look carefully, you can use the 5. Can you see this 5 is longer than the rest now? You can see now. See, I cannot see lah. Okay lah, I'll show you. Can you see now? Can you see that this one down here, can you see that this is longer than the rest? This one is shorter. This one katik. You know, Malay word, they use word katik. Now they use pendek lah. But last time when I was young, they used the word katik. I don't know whether they use katik now. So this is longer. This is 5. So you know this is 9.5. You can count on 9.6, 9.7, 9.8, 9.9. Okay. Or you can put down here. 10 goes back 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9.1 is here. It's up to you. Here we go. We're going to the next one. We're going to the next one. Okay. Okay. Durian. How much is the weight of the durian? In fact, I ever saw the name of a road, Jalan or Lorong Liulian. Liulian, I think is the Chinese word for durian. Razik, congratulations. Razik, you got it first. Oh, Razik, you don't give others chance. You really go first. Shafia was halfway drinking. She says not fair. Now she's choking on the water. Okay, no problem, Neres. No problem. Okay, you left already, Neres. Okay, no problem, Neres. Okay, if you have to the thing, no problem. Okay, you take care of yourself. I'll see you another day. Okay. Okay, what about the rest? Who's not 2.2? Cannot be. You see, this is 1 kg here. The next kg will be down there. 1 kg is something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half of it. So the next half. Oh, yes. Huh? Putra, correct? So what is it? Shafia and Amara. Amara, I can see two boys behind. They're doing something. Oi, jangan kacau kakak lah, oi. Kakak nak belajar. Okay. Husna Shafia, what's the answer, Shafia? You start counting now here. Okay, this is the same thing. Here we go. This is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. This one 1.5, right? You can see 1.5. You can count. Start counting. Sorry? Yeah, thanks. Congratulations, you got it right. So you can see this is longer. You can start 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. I think that's what Razik did. I don't think he count everything. Perhaps, I do not know. Maybe see 1.5 down here. 1.6, 1.7. Correct. Well done. Okay. Okay, here we go. We go on to the next one. So it's 1.7, Miss Amara. 1.7 kg. By the way, what does the K stand for? Who know? Does K stand for king? Does K stand for Kong? Who knows? Kilo. Who knows? Kilo. What does the kilo mean? What does kilo mean? Kilo means what? You're correct. Kilo, thousand. Kilo means 1000. Kilo is 1000. So if you have, let's say, I won 10K. 10K. Someone say, I won 10K. $10,000. Sometimes you see people write numbers, they put a K here, means this is 1000. Okay, these are things you should know, okay? But normally those people who do that, they are loan sharks lah. Normally say, borrow, you can borrow 10K, don't borrow from them, please. Down here now, you try now. How many liters are there? How many liters are there? We got the first answer. Could it be Putra or Razik or Shafia? Wow, Putra. No, Razik. Razik and Shafia, same timing. Correct. Both of you are correct. Congratulations. Congratulations. 2%. Never mind, Naris. If you need to leave, you leave first. Okay, no problem. Okay. You take care. Okay, Naris. Yeah, I'll see you another day. Inshallah, next week I will arrange for something. Well done, Putra. So we count how many beakers, how many of this 1 liter. This is 2 liters. This is 3 liters. Right? So down here, Amara, can you see? There are 3 liters here. You see 1 full liter, 2, 3. So you're at 3 point something. Point how many? You count on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, I'm not too sure whether this is 0 or 1. Okay, you remember this is 5, correct? The longer is 5. So this one is 4 lah. Then you come back 5, this one 4. So 3.4. Okay? 3.4. Here we go. Now, so you must know a few ways of reading it. Next time, some of you might be having a car, some might be having a motor. You must know what's the speed. And you're riding a bike. You see, what's your speed? You go over speed. I don't know how to read this one. Decimals. Cannot be. You must know how to read decimals. Okay, poor thing. Miss Kakak Amara is having 2 boys running over her. Something like one of the P6 students that we had. The younger brother be punching him while he's having tuition. Quite bad. I don't think that younger brother is Putra. Putra, wake up, Putra. Putra, wake up. Come back. Now activity 2. Can we try now? Putra, you got to do all. For okay. Putra got to do all. And the rest also the rest also do all. Okay, for Amara, you can do A and D. This one now, they want you to reduce to simplest form, What does mean? What does this, sorry. What does simplest form mean? You see the 10, now they reduce to 5. Let us see. Who has written? What? Putra, your answer is correct. Well done. So I need to show you lah, because one of the saying is what? Well, all right. Those who say what, I have to show you now. Okay. Now we change. Let's say 8 out of 10. Remember, only for 10 and 100 and 1,000 you can change to decimal. Only for 10, bottom must be 10. So this one is any number here? No, we put 0. This is 0.8. Well done. But this one, I can also reduce, divide by 2, divide by 2. It's actually 4 over 5. So next time you get 4 over 5, they ask you to change to decimal. You must make this to 10 first, times 2, times 2. You get 8 over 10, then you change like that. But in this exercise, they ask you to change from decimals to, I'm just asking which one to do. Oh, never mind, I explain first. So let's say now they give you 0.6. You change to decimal first. 0.6, 0 here, right? So you just put 10 below here. How do you know to put 10? Because this is one digit after the dot. One digit, put 1 0. Then just put the 6 on top. You see, what if there's two digit? Let's say now 0.06. If there's two digit like that, you put 2 zeros. Yes, it's over 100. And then put on top 6. One digit, you put a 0 only, 1 0. Two digit, put 2 zeros. Three digit, 3 zeros. 10 digit, 10 zeros. Okay. Now from here now, they ask you to bring to simplest form. You must divide by 2. Divide by 2, you get 3 over 5. This is your fraction. All right, we will try now. We try, We try. Putra, wake up, Putra. Putra, bangun, Putra. Putra. As-salah khairum minan naum. Okay, here we go. Putra, this is too easy for you, Putra. I will give you other questions. Do you have any other questions? Can you access your phone, Putra? Okay, never mind. You do this one first. I have to give you.
You do press A.
A, B, C, D, E, F. All. Sorry, all. Oh, you're asking me all lah. Razik, you do all. Husna, Shafia, for which one? Number 1. Number 1 is 5. What's the answer? Yeah, number 1 is you reduce on here. Okay, so you just give the 1 slash you use like that lah. Let's say, okay, I just do the first one with you. Okay, I do the first one. Son, divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, you get 5, right? 5, correct. This one 2 divide by 2, get 1. So your answer you can send me. You can put 1, 5. The next one, you do lah. Razik, B, correct. Putra, C, correct. Putra, B, correct. Shafia, A, correct. Amara, you do B and D, okay? B and D. Try B and D. Putra, D, correct. Razik, C, correct. Putra, E, correct. Putra, E, correct. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. you win for yourself another trip outside the house. Where you want to go to?
How
Razik,
is it?
you win for yourself another trip outside the house. Where do you want to go? I suggest you go to Pompeii and Herculaneum. Huh? We go together lah. Congratulations, Razik.
When?
What about the rest?
When?
I got to save money first lah. Go Italy kan? Got to go Italy, no. This is quite far, no. And now it's a COVID period, but we can see all the what they left behind is will be very beautiful lah. I think we'll get a lot of realization. Okay, I'm just gonna run through the first one. Amara, are you okay? Okay, Amara and Shafia, we are waiting. Amara, are you okay, Amara? Let me see. Mr. Razik, well done for question E. And now, Putra, I give you a mental sum to do, okay? You try. I'll teach you a method of doing this, okay? 11 in your head, okay? 11 times, in your head, okay? 11 times 24. Mentally. Okay, first you times 10 first. 24 times 10, what's your answer? 24 times 10. 24 times 10?
240.
Okay, good. So now 11 means one more, another 24, plus the 24 to 240. Plus the 24 to 240. Plus the 24 to 240. To 240. Plus the 24. Two?
I don't get it.
You don't get it. Okay. Shafia, let me check. Shafia, your answer for B is correct, C is correct, D is correct, E is correct, and F is correct. Okay, because of that, you get a free hug from Shafika. Okay, so now just as I was about to go through now, I was telling, what's his name? Putra. What I mean is, you times 10, you get this. Then you plus one more because you got the times 11. So you add like that lah. 4, 6, 2, 6, 4. Okay, this is just for our brother, yeah. Okay, Miss Amara, I'm just going to go through over here. Miss Amara, are you there, Amara? Okay. Now, this is 6 over 10. Amara, 6 over 10. Now, Amara, are you there, Amara? Amara, where are you? Not there. I'm talking to no one lah. Allahu Akbar. Talking to no one is not good, no? If you see someone at MRT talking to no one, it's not a good sign. Okay? In fact, I do not know why, but I seem to attract some... Amara! Okay, welcome back, Amara. Amara, down here. So this is 6 over 10. Come, I'm just going to show you, because the rest are complete. So you divide by 2. You divide by 2. This means you reduce to lowest terms. Then you get 3 over 5. This is the first one. Okay? The next one, 3.6, is almost the same. You must have 3 wholes, put 6 over 10. You do the division the same thing lah. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. You will also get 3 over 5 down here. But don't forget the big 3. What big 3? Pokok besar, not pokok besar. 3. Okay. By the way, what is the word pokok in bahasa Indonesia? Who knows? Pokok in bahasa Indonesia. Anyone? Quiz. In 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. No. For them, pokok is something else. It's pohon. Sometimes in poems, Malay poems, you can hear the word pohon. See, is this a Malay lesson? I'm just telling you because the Malays are losing their language and the culture. And I got to teach them a little bit lah. Okay, we try now. This one now, they want you to change it to a decimal. So I'm just going to show you now again how to change it to a decimal. Okay, first, let's say you have 4 over 5. You must make this into 10. How to make this? Oh, times 2 lah. I times 2. I get 8 over 10. Now, when it's 10, you can change it. 0.8. Get it, eh? If this one is not 10 or 100 or 1,000, you cannot change to decimal. You must change it. So decimals are related to fractions. Only when the denominator is 10, 100,000, and so on. Okay, this is actually a special fraction with the denominator of 10. This now is a special fraction with the denominator of 100. How do I know it's 100? There's 1, 2 zeros. 1, 2. This one only 1. 1, 0. Can see that? Okay, we try. Okay, this is the beginnings. Amara, you okay, Amara? Are those your brothers or your cousin? I see them macam fighting one another on the bed. Is it not fighting? They're very active. Last time I used to be like that. So I used to be jumping up and down the bed. I'm sure maybe, I do not know. Looking at Putra, his hair is quite neat. I don't think you jump up and down the bed, Putra? No. Do you know I still jump on the bed? You want to see some videos of it? When I go to a hotel, that's what I do. I will show it to you later. You might be disgusted by it. You don't want to see. Okay, don't want to see it then. That's what boys sometimes do. All right, let's try question A, B, C, D, E, F. Mr. Razik, A, B, C, D, E, F, question 2. And action.
You need to change them as decimal.
You must change them to decimal. I just want your decimal answer only. But in order to change to decimal, you see, you need to change to base 10. You must change to 10 first. How to change? Times 2. Times...
I know.
What must you do?
What you say, Shafia? I cannot hear your voice. Is... How do we change? Okay, down here 2 over 10. So this one becomes 0.2. I show you the next one. This one you times by 2. Times by 2. You get 8 over 10. 8 over 10 is 0.8. Then you do the rest. You all do C, D, E, F.
Okay, right.
Okay. Meanwhile, I'll search for the video. You want to see the video of me jumping on the bed? What is that? What doll is that, Shafia? You're playing a Darth Vader. I thought you should be playing with Barbie who become a Muslim. Barbie, her name is Siti Barbie. Siti Barbie is not. It's not good name, Barbie. Yeah.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, just now you say if Amara don't get the answer correct, right? Later you fall off the chair, right?
Yeah. No. Yeah, just now, yeah. Just now, if she didn't get the answer, I would have fallen off the chair. But Alhamdulillah, I think she got it correct.
Sorry.
You see, Kaka is asking, okay, Kaka, then sec 1, we will have that game also lah. But then sec 1, yeah.
I remember that when I go to my sister tuition center, after I fall off the chair.
You fell off the chair because you're not
Yeah.
careful lah when you sit. Now you're more stable lah, and maybe your bum is not too heavy, yeah. So very light. So be careful when you fall somewhere, you might bounce. And some people say if the butt is juicy, you'll bounce. You've got no the thing, you might just crack the bone. I do not know where that video is. I just remember that. In fact, I showed some people the video of me jumping in the bed. They thought I was crazy. But for me, it was important. Di bawah. All right, we have the first answer coming in. I got a feeling it's Mr. Razik. Mr. Razik is true, Mr. Razik. Razik, you have to change it to decimal, Razik. You see? This one, Razik, is all in decimal. I want the final decimal answer, but you want me to check your answer? Sorry. Oh, no. Sorry, Razik, sorry. I'm so sorry. Razik, yes, okay. Question C is correct. Question D is correct. Question E is correct. And question F is correct. Razik, well done, Razik.
Sure.
Yes,
Sure.
Putra,
Yeah,
your answer
yeah.
is correct. C is correct. Razik, complete the whole thing. Razik, you see, notice, even though his video is off, he's still active. That's the way lah. Okay, at least I know he's sending. I know he's doing his work. So Razik, Hey, don't. Putra, turn on your video. Razik, that's the problem, Razik. You see, the moment one person turn on video, the rest, I do not know why. This even happened at the traffic light. At the traffic light, where everyone is waiting for traffic light, you try to see one person cross the road, the rest will follow. And the first one get knocked down, everyone gets knocked down. Come. Wow, you are served drinks and food. Wow. What is that? Syrup limau. Syrup limau with the limau inside. Allahu Akbar. I also feel like having it. Bubu bisa buat syrup limau. Putra minum syrup limau. Habis. Dia sudah kata habis itu. Come on, Putra, we are waiting for you now. Razik is waiting for everyone else. Razik, you try to do this mentally, Razik. Okay. 12 times 11 in your mind. If you say you don't know, you try to times 10 first. 12 times 10, then you plus the 12 again. Well done.
D.
Yeah, well done. Yes, I'm checking. Don't worry. D is correct. What about E? Amara, where are you, Amara? Come on, Amara. Come on, Amara. Let us see what they do. Amara, can we do C together? Okay, this is from Shafia also. Wow, so fast.
1, 2, 2.
Yes, 1, 3, 2. Congratulations. Okay, so Razik, you try.
So who's Razik?
Razik, they say his computer is lagging. So he next lesson he will be using another computer. Razik, you have now become a mystery. People want to know who is Razik.
No one to help.
Hey, who is that? That's
No, you
Faris.
didn't, liar.
That is Faris. That's the bigger brother. Okay, but anyway, so Razik, you try the next one. 14 times 11. You times
Sure.
by, yeah.
Who is Salim?
Salim, my father lah. My father passed away already. He passed away when I was 13 years old. Later I'll tell you about his story.
That one.
But I might cry. Putra, you make men cry, Putra. And Shafia is so happy to see me cry. Shafia, lah. Come on, Shafia, we're waiting for you. Amara, come. Down here, Amara, I see Amara. Amara, you there? Okay. Now down here, Amara. First step, we make this into 10. How to change to 10? You got times by what? Times by 5. So the top, you must times by 5 or so, you see? 2 times 5, 10. 1 times 5 is 5. Now you know how to change. 2.5. Can see now? You must change the bottom to 10. Okay, in this case 10. Later on, we'll learn like 100 and then 1,000, so forth. So you try D, Amara. Try D.
I did.
Who has sent? No one has sent. Razik, 14 times 11. Razik, 14 times 11. Putra, you look fat. Putra, come. I still can do it. Okay, but you do like that, and then you do like that. Then you become monyet. Okay, come on. Offer. Shafia, where are you? Now don't turn off your video. What are you doing?
1.
Write down, Razik. You say the thing is off. That one doesn't sound like your voice anyway. It sounds like
I'm
Faris's
bullying
voice.
Faris.
I know. Faris, what are you doing, Faris? Okay, come. Putra, don't turn off your video, Putra. Shafia, she turn off. One person turn off. The other person turn off. Well done, Putra. Every time you turn up, I miss you so much. Aduh, now. Ni adik ni mau kacau kakak
I don't.
Amara di belakang. Oh,
I don't sure.
come on. How come you do not know how to do the E, Putra?
Oh,
We are supposed to do EF lah. Oh, I didn't know. I was sleeping under the tree. The tortoise went past me. The story of Putra and the tortoise. Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? You're dreaming. Come on, Shafia. Oh, the photo is not moving. Shafia.
1, 4, 1, 4.
1, 4.
144.
144. No, not 144. Okay. So while we wait for the rest, I'm explaining this to Mr.
Faris.
Razik. So you take 14 times 10, you get 140, right? Then you plus another 14. You get 154. Okay, 154. Huh?
Plus 5 already.
151.
Not 151, 154. Don't plus 11. You must plus 14. You must plus 14, not 11. Plus 14. Okay, we try the next one. Oh, Ustaz Shafia coming in. 23 times 11. Take 23 times 10, then plus 23. What about the rest of you? Come on, the rest of you. No one is sending me an answer. That means I have to go through in 1 minute's time. Huh? I will go through 1 minute's time.
Hello.
Amara, you okay, Amara? Are you all right? Down here, Amara, you must change this to 10 times what? Times 2, right? Do the same thing times 2. Well done, Putra. Well done. So down here, Amara, you times by 2 to make it 10. So down here, you must times by 2. You get 2. So what's your answer down here, Amara? Okay, you be 3.2. Amara, the next one, Amara, come. This one 4. You want to change it to 10 again. What do you multiply? Congratulations, Mr. Putra. Mr. Putra, I'm going to get you to challenge Razik now. Okay, are you ready? Hey, Razik, you finished already. 23 times 11. What's your answer? Tak tahu dia, tak tahu. Okay, we change the question now. Razik versus Putra. 31 times 11 and go.
No.
What's the answer?
No.
No. What is no? No is English. What is this?
China.
Okay,
3 for 1.
3 for 1.
3 for 1. How you going plus 11? Why plus 11? 30 what? 31 eh? Yeah, 31 correct. 3 for 1 correct. Sorry. Yeah, correct. Well done. Okay, come. I'll go run through the answers now. Times by 2 and times by 2. Shafia, so sorry, we have to move on. 2 times 2 get 4. So this is 4, 4, 4. Now the next one now, same thing. We put 50 and the base down here. We're not in. The base down here is supposed to be 10. All right. Now 2 times 1 equals to 10. You times by 5. Do the same thing. Times by 5 over here. So you get 50.5.
Yeah!
Okay. Well done. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you the. I'm going to show you something that I've shown some of you. This is the story of that Moroccan lady. I told you right about it, Putra, and I just show them. Okay, show the rest of them. This is a lady who carried a dead baby within her womb for 40 years. Okay.
You know.
Yeah. So what happened? What happened to this lady? This lady, her baby died in the womb. So what happened was what is this? Oh, see. What happened was at that time in the 1940s or 50s or whatever, in her country, in Morocco, they didn't have the surgery. So she may die actually. So she was so scared, she didn't want to go to the hospital. And what happened? This is what happened. Let us look at the baby. If you want to check, you can go to the internet and you can check down here, Moroccan lady with dead fetus. Fetus is the name of baby inside the womb. It's called fetus. Even it's small, it's called a fetus. Fetus for 40 years. Something like that. I think we might get the down here. Let us look at the image. This is the lady. She's a Muslim lady, you see. And then what happened? This now is the
Muslim lady.
Yes, Muslim lady. This is the baby inside the womb for 40 years. Can you see? Look at this. It hardened, become like stone for 46 years. She gave birth, you see down here? Woman pregnant for 46 years, not pregnant but the baby died. So she's too afraid to go for surgery. 46 years ago, maybe it's the year 1960s, 1950s. So she didn't want to go. She just controlled the pain, tahan the pain. And then one day she went for X-ray. They were shocked because nowadays you can easily do surgery to remove this, right? So this is now a picture of the Moroccan in 1955. Her name is Zahra Abu Talib. This is the lady. And then this is the picture of the baby. And when they did the scan, they found the baby like that in fetus in here.
So what's the release?
We have another 23 minutes. So this is a stone. What happened, Razik? Razik, if you all want to play, please turn off the mute yourself. Okay, that's why I do not want the camera to be off. Down here now, you can see this is the inside of the baby. You know,
They did cut.
yeah, they cut there. They measured. It was 5 cm, just this small inside her. Wasn't so big lah. Okay, they call stone baby. But anyway, such things do happen. So it is finally Allah who decides when you're gonna die, not the doctors. There are people who. Okay, can we move on to the next one? All right, we move on to the next one, and now. Okay, this one simple addition. 1 plus 0.3, get 1.3. 4 tenths is 40 plus 3 is 43. 43 plus 0.5, this is 0.5, right? The answer is 43.5. Maybe I'm going a little bit too fast. 1 plus 0.3 is 1.3. 40 plus 3 is 43 plus 0.5. This is 0.5. Okay, later you're going to have your exercise. This one is 3. This one's 40. So you add them together lah. It's 40. So 40 plus 3, 43 plus 0.5, 43.5. Okay. All right. Razik, I will stop your tuition. If you disturb Razik, please. Okay, I'm serious, Razik. Please tell your brother to stop. If not, I will have to inform your mom because you are interrupting everyone. Okay, if not, I will have to exclude you from the tuition now. If the thing goes on again, I can hear your brother's voice again. Now you leave yourself. Okay, good. And sometimes I do not want to scold students, but sometimes it happens. Okay, they ask you for what is the question? You try question 3 first. Tens place, ones place for ABC. Hold on, I need to charge my phone. Charge my laptop before it crashes. Hold on. Where is it? Okay, just very quickly, we are going to move on to hundreds already. We're going to move on to hundreds. Notice I'm going quite slow so they understand perfectly. Okay, anyone, come on. Oh yeah, all 3 have answered. Not all 3, but Putra. Okay, Putra, let's see. Well done, Putra. Congratulations. What about Shafia? Why you put 4? Oh, 4 is in 10th place. Shafia forgot already. Okay, remember where is the ones place? Ones is always beside, to the left, beside the dot. Now here, this is ones. And this one beside it is tens. And beside it is tenth with a TH. This is now 5 is in the 10th place. Can you try the other 2, please? Okay, while I will have to show Putra the other question. Putra, you do the other questions, Okay. Question number, yes. The rest don't need to do question number 4. Amara and Shafia do question number 3. Okay, Shafia, well done. Amara can do Amara. Okay, Putra, now, okay, well done, Shafia, for question 4. You have overtaken Putra. Amara, question 3B, Amara. 3B, Amara, come on. 3B, Amara.
She sent to the wrong person.
Oh, she's there, her head is there. Oh, she's
sent
coming
to
from Putra's side. Okay, we challenge now. Putra versus Shafia. You all say which one is the answer first. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4. First one down here. What's the answer? Just say out. Say out. 5, 4, 3.
3. 3.
Value 3. Yes. So 3. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. I will choose which one. Okay. Then you tell. Amara, so you can join in. Okay. This one now. What's the value of this one? Putra, Shafia. 10. What number? Number. Value. No. No, don't know.
0.
0. 0, not correct. No, you just take out the 3. This one. 3, 0, 0, 300. Okay, this one now.
50.
The value of 3,
3.
not 3. 0.3. The point is here what? It be 0.3. So just add a 0.3. This one down here.
70.
No, you want the value of 3 you need. They want the value of 3. So just, that means you're not sure. Okay. So now if I ask you now, let's say 1, 2, 3, 0. What's the value of 3? Take out the 3, 3, 0. So down here, 301. What's the value of 0.2? What's the value of 3? 300. Until the dot, then you stop. If down here now, let's say 50.3,
How many more minutes?
we have 15 minutes more. Bring down the 3 and put a dot here. Then what you put in front is 0. You do not put any other number except for the 3 and 0. That's all. Okay, down here, let's say now, this one was the value of the 3. Anyone? Just take out. Putra, what's the answer, Putra? Just say it out.
30.
30, yes, 30. You see, you take out the 3 on top, right? Put it on top. Add the 0, and then you reach the dot stop. Okay, so this one is 330. Okay, well done. So the tens place is 3 down here. The ones place is 7 down here. These are all these you must know basic knowledge. We'll move on now to the next one. Okay, we move to hundreds. Okay, later we come back to this one. Hundreds now. Can you try? Don't need to count. We just change from the fraction. Can you change to decimal? Don't need to count. Don't need to count how many. Just from the fractions to the decimal. All right. A, B, C, D.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Okay. Now you want to. What about Putra? You know what is this answer, Putra? What's the answer? You don't know.
Huh?
What's the
I
answer?
know.
What's the answer?
You have to put in decimal.
Yeah, you tell me. Decimal. What's the answer?
0.03.
Okay, so now down here, Shafia, watch, and Amara. This one now you want to change to decimal. Very simple. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So put 0.00. There's one for 1 0. There's 2 zeros here, 2 blanks here. Now this is a dot. Is there anything down here? Nothing. So we put 0. This number now, we must go to the first blank down here. Don't go to this one, the very first, the last blank down here. Put a 3 down here. And then what happened? The rest you fill up is zeros, 0.03. Let's say this one, you look at down here, over 100, right? Later I'll pass you all other examples then. So how to change this? Dot, 1 0 2 zeros. There's nothing down here, so put a 0. 23, you can put a 3 at the last one, and then a 2 in the next one. Easy, not, Amara? Amara, is it easy? Can you understand, Amara? Okay, when you have 2 zeros here, you must have 2 blanks after the dot. Okay, then put a 3 at the last one, and the 2 beside it. So now I'm going to move below. I'm going to move below to show you the next one. Watch. Okay. Then you see whether you get it. See now down here now. 1 and 9 over 100. How to change 1 and 9 over 100? Okay, this one you must make sure you get it. Putra, you know the answer now. Putra, what's your answer? Putra, I don't know.
Which one?
This one.
1.09.
And he is correct. Okay. So how to do? Same thing. We see there's 1 0 2 zeros. 100 is 2 zeros. We put the dot first. Put 2 blanks. Why 2 blanks? Because there's 2 zeros here. Just now was over 10, only 1 blank. And then we check down here. Beside here, there's 1 hole. We put 1 hole here. 9, we put at the last blank. And what do? Fill up with 0. Then you'll get the same. Okay, so you all do. You do the ones that we have not done. Okay, we try again. Okay, you do B, D, F. Don't need to count the squares. B, D, F. Don't need to do step by step. Just do from this one straight to down here. Don't need to change this. This one don't need to do. This one change straight. This one change straight. Putra, send the answer, Putra.
For what?
For B, D, and F, I think this lesson might be too easy for you. So maybe so you're bored.
Some.
Okay, well done for B. For Shafia, well done.
Taking off.
Putra, well done. Shafia, well done for D. Putra, well done for D. And the last one, which one is going to come first? Shafia versus Putra. Which one? Shafia comes in first, congratulations. Then comes Putra. So now we will explain this to Miss Amara. Amara, very simple, Amara. This one now, there's 2 zeros, put dot, 2 blanks. There's nothing in front here. Down here, there's 1. Down here, there's nothing. Another 9 minutes more. Put 0 here, and then just write the 10 down here. The 0, put it here at the last part, then follow up by down here. Same thing also down here, Amara, is over 100. 100 is 2 zeros. Put dot, 2 zeros. And then ask yourself, anything in front here? Nothing. So you put the 8 down here and put the 9 down here. The last one, same thing. There's 2 zeros, 100. Put dot, 2 blanks. 1, 2. There's 1 in before the dot. Put 1 now here. Then 32, 32. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay. Can you try this one? Money, They want you to write as a decimal. So what does it mean? This one now, I give you an example. Let's say now it's 45 cents. In dollar is 45. Don't write, Putra. Your answer is wrong also. 45 over 100. Okay. Then you write the answer lah. Okay, how to change to decimal. All of this is all upon 100, upon 100, upon 100. But we want the answer as decimal. Blank, dot, dot, blank. Okay. I didn't give you A because many might get wrong. A wrong because they get confused. The others might be easier. So you send your if you're confused, all right, now this is as a fraction in dollar. You right now? So what is it equals to? Putra, what's the answer for this one, Putra? Can you send? Or you can write down here, no problem. You know what the answer is? That's not what you wrote is wrong, huh? Putra is written, is it correct? Well, let us see, Remember, this is now upon 100. Why upon 100? Because $1 is 100 cents. See, 100 cents in $1. So this is actually 5 over 100. 2 zeros, 2 blanks. There's no, not even $1, so this is 0. Put the 5 down here. Put the 5 in the last blank. Put the 5 in the last blank. And then here, fill up easier. Okay, you try the rest, please. Try the rest. Okay, just tell the, send me the answers very quickly. Okay, Putra, we're going to end another 5 minutes more, Putra. You can keep yourself awake by... Amara, come on, Amara. Don't be distracted by adik. Sometimes they are very active, but this time you got to belajar. Oh, try, how come you get like that? Try get this one. Oh, wrong answer. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong number. Putra correct. Shafia correct. But Shafia correct for C and E. Putra correct for B and B. C is correct. Putra, D is correct. Putra, F is correct. Congratulations, you reached the end faster than Abang. Or Adik, I do not know if it's Abang or Adik. Okay, so let us see. So this one, Miss Amara, blank, point, blank. Sorry? You've done. Okay, congratulations. You've done. Not yet. The last one. Okay. So Amara, down here is $0 because it's not even $1. Put the 1.5 down here. 1.5. Down here, just put 1, 2, 70 down here. Okay. 0.70. If they give you like 100 plus, let's say they 190, what to do? If they have a 190, you put 190 here, you get $1.90. But it's not every year. Okay, we move on to the last one. Oh, Adik behind you. Kakak cannot. Okay, now very quickly, those of you who can complete this, Putra, if you can complete this, you can say bye-bye. Aduh, poting kakak Amara poting. Adik Amara tengah main-main di belakangnya. Dia tak bisa konsentrasi. Alright, we have the first one coming in. Well done, Putra. Well done, Putra. Well done, Shafia. Well done, Shafia. Well done, Putra. For C. Well done, Shafia, for C. Well done, Putra, for D. Well done, Shafia, for D. Well done, Putra, for E. Well done, Shafia, for E. And the very last one, who will come in first? Well done, Putra, for F. And well done, Shafia. Okay. So I need to run through this with okay. So Putra and Shafia, if you want to leave, no problem. I will teach Amara. Amara down here, okay? See you.
Alright.
Yeah, you can leave now. You can leave now because 1 minute more. Okay. Amara, don't leave, Amara. I just teach you this again. Amara, there's 2 zeros here. So you put a dot, put 2 zeros, 2 blanks, Amara. So now you put the 3 down here at the end. The rest, just put a 0. Down here, do we put a 0? Yes, because there's nothing here. Down here, there's 1. Down here, there's nothing. Can see now. So we put 0. So Amara, you try see what's the answer now. Amara! Amara, come. This one, how to do this one? Come. We do C and E, Amara. We do C and E, we can stop. Down here, there's 2 zeros. You put dot. Okay, Amara, what do you write down here, Amara? Can you see out? Unmute yourself lah. See out. What do you write down here? Amara, unmute yourself. Don't worry. I can hear your brothers jumping behind. It's okay. We can see them dancing. Oh my goodness. Oh, standing up. Okay. Down here, what do we put, Amara? Down here. What number? What number do we put? 1. Good. Then where do we put the 2? Do we put the 2 here or do we put the 2 here? Which one? Here or there? Here or there? Here or there? There, correct. And then what do we put here? Put the 0. Okay? We try this one now. Amara, you tell me now. Okay? If you can do this, all of us will stop now. We are waiting for you now. What do we put on here, Amara? Good. Where do we put the 7? Here or there? Here or there? Here or there? Here? There. Okay, good. Then what do we put here, Amara? 0. Okay. Are you okay, Amara? All right now. What's your adik's name? Adik belakang, what's that adik's name? Arfan, eh? Your cousin or what? Cousin or adik? Very active, jumping on the bed, jumping. Okay. All right, you take care, all right? Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.